You guys ready to go fishing? Family day.
Yep.
There you go.
Gonna catch some redfish.
Hope so. You gotta take a dinner.
Going to beautiful Withlacoochee River. See some of old Florida. Beautiful place.
Yeah, real big. There's
You saw one?
something big just went right in front of me right here.
Those are probably drum.
Is that what that
No,
is?
just they're big, a lot bigger than that. I think I just saw one too.
I think I'm gonna cast. Not right now, baby. You got
Oh, look at, did you see right there?
Yeah, that was a
Look,
monster.
oh, that's rough. Okay, yeah.
Oh, right here. Look at them all. Look at them all. Brody, come up here. Monsters.
Oh, yeah, in front. Yeah, right there.
Those are big. They're huge. Hold on, just wait. Oh, right there. He just went on the boat. You gotta really be paying attention. I just saw one. Just pay attention on the surface. You see them and then they dive down.
Alright, let's do a good fishing.
They wouldn't eat the other day. I threw everything at them.
Why is I want to swirl these off?
We'll come back to them later.
Oh, I saw like that like this.
So this time pitch it a little bit more to the left. Jeez. Anything but a cat. Oh, I just got a mangrove. That's a good.
Did you really? Oh, maybe a little small.
Little. Probably a keeper, honestly. There only gotta be 10 inches in here. He's right on 10 inches. Got a fish? There you go. Got a head shake to it. It's a bigger fish. There you go. Nice red. That's dinner right there. Brody, you were just talking crap. There's the redfish.
Oh!
There she is. Yeah, they put up a good fight. Yeah, he's a keeper.
Here, I just gave you all slack.
Took a couple minutes of patience, but this is what happens when you wait, Brody.
Ta-da! Yeah, I know right where I'm going.
I just dropped them in the water. This is the biggest trout I've seen in a long time. It's over 20. This is a tank. Brody.
Whoa! Hey, Brody, you okay?
I don't like touching fish.
Grab it. Your pole's going. Kelly, your pole. Reel. There you go. Big red. There you go. Big trout, redfish. There you go, Kelly. It looks like he's running up current. Go over that pole. There you go, reel. He's going up current. That's a nice redfish. Are you glad we changed spots?
Didn't take much either.
No, that's a big red. He's running. He's over here. There he is. Looks like a jack. Oh, that's a jack.
Whoops. Okay.
The jack. Oh, do you see the fish your mom just caught? No.
No. Bye.
There you go.
There you go.
That's a big trout.
Oh!
Big trout. There you go.
Yay!
All right, open the bail. Open it.
There you go, buddy.
All right, put them in the cooler. Look at our limit of trout. They're definitely piled up right there. Put a cork on it and it's instant. That's crazy.
How many are we allowed?
He's 14.8. Big trout.
Yeah, good one. Good one.
Not quite big, but he's a good size. It might be same size as the last one.
Probably the same one.
Yeah, I think he's a keeper. He's got girth to him. Oh, there it is. Oh. Brody, look at the trout your mom just caught.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
16-incher. Trout slayers. There you go, John. The trout? Yep. Alright, so the pocket's right here off the drop. There goes. Another trout.
Oh, buggers.
Yeah, just let it sit there. This wind is making it tough. Big fish! Big fish!
Get out of her.
Good job, Kelly. See how that works? You put it in the right spot, you get hammered.
Oh my gosh.
Get away from the boat. Look at that fish. Come on, Kelly, get him up. Right there, John.
Holy moly!
Left side.
Tank.
Left.
I'll drop my fish.
Fast-paced fishing when we're on the move.
Is that what?
Big red. Good job, Kelly. Oh, he's running. He's running like a jack.
You got it?
I hope it's not a jack.
Please don't be Jack. Please don't be Jack. I'll do it.
He's running like a jack. He's running like a jack.
Can I do that?
Yep, it's a jack. There you go. You can try to net it.
Big one.
Practice for you. Scoop it under.
Scoop it, baby.
There you go.
Coming in over. You want to go under it. You got something?
He does.
Little guy.
Get it, buddy. Go down there. Down there.
You gonna net it, Brody?
Down on the, there you go. We'll go under it. Under.
Get the net in the water.
Under.
Come up underneath them. Nice.
I'll net it. I'll net it.
This is a big one, Brody. There you go, Kelly. Get the net in the water, Brody. There you go. Get him. Open the bill.
Is that a keeper?
He's a little small.
Seriously?
Nah, he's too small.
How? Dang it. But at least 2 meals for 2 people.
He's only 17 inches.
Okay, but do you remember on the show alone?
There you go. That's a nice red. Nice redfish. Left side. That's a keeper. Hey, under the fish, Brody.
Get under.
I didn't see it.
Alright.
Pliers on it. That was way in there.
Catching a big fish. We got a big fish.
It's not that big.
Yeah, they're all small.
They're fun.
Another little guy.
You okay? You need some water?
See it, Brody?
Yeah, I've got water right here, and I'm just going to sit for
Yum.
a second. I need to sit for a second.
Hang on tight, Brody.
Don't jerk it around.
This
You gotta
reel.
hold the tip up.
Lift and reel. Lift, reel. Got that big fish. This is hilarious.
When I go down, you reel. So up.
A 7-year-old reeling in big redfish.
Come on, buddy.
Come on, Brody, you can do it. man.
Reel.
It's a big one. Come on, bring that baby over here.
Reel.
Good fish, Brody.
Man, it's a big one.
It is.
Wow, look at the size of that. Bring that
It is a big one, Brody.
Here. Okay, bring this way.
Bring him this way.
Bring this way. Bring this way.
Big red. Nice, Brody.
That is a big one, buddy. Look at what you just landed. That's keeper.
That's definitely a keeper. That's 3 keepers. I want to see you pick him up, dude.
Okay, but you got to pick him up by the gill roll, so he's going to jump into the water.
How?
Pick him up.
Here, just right here. Just put your hand right in there.
Oh
And lift it
no.
up like that. See?
I can't.
Is Kelly reeling in redfish up there? You got a red, Kelly? Oh, she got a mangrove.
Woo.
Don't jerk it around. Keep it straight.
There you go. Just keep reeling, dude. Lift the rod a little bit.
Lift the rod.
So get the net.
I got the net, dude. Good job. Keep reeling.
Doing great.
Good net.
Yeah, buddy.
Is that keeper?
Nope.
Way too small.
Open the bill. Thank you. Close it. We don't need more keepers. We already have all the ones we're allowed to keep.
4?
3. Your mom does.
Keep rolling. He's holding the line. Don't.
Like that. Pretty fish. Feels tiny.
Catfish.
Might be a red.
Whoa.
Yeah.
It's a whale there.
First cast with the swim bait. What were you doing, Kelly?
Obviously doing it wrong.
Jason, I'll eat that one.
It was like instant on artificial.
Jason, I'll eat that one.
We don't need shrimp. Hey Brody, find me another one of these lures out of my tackle box.
What?
Oh, there it is. What? That was a fish, right? There we go. I got your fish. Yeah, you lost yours and then he ate my swim bait.
Here. Right here.
I got it. It's not that big.
Buddy, I need a shrimp. 5.
So this is where it's fun when you just throw lures.
3.
See, you ate a lure, John?
Huh?
You ate a lure.
Oh, wow. That's fun.
Right by the boat.
Yeah, you ate it right here next to the boat.
You did it right here.
The big.
No.
It's not keeper.
You gotta keep it moving, John.
Daddy, look at it. Soon to get a bite.
There's nothing feeding right now. There we go. It's not that big. He came right out of that grass for it. Hey, we got a slam. No. Nice little cooler fish.